Where am I going? It's a simple question that each of us asks ourselves from time to time. But for you, the answer is simple. You are going forward. The more important question is, how far do you want to go? Looking for a way to start down the path to adventure? Look no further than the Xterra Fitness Trail Runner 300 folding treadmill. It comes equipped with all the features you need to begin your fitness journey. Along with 24 creative programs, the TR300 comes equipped with an easy-to-read 5.5-inch blue backlit display that will help you keep track of your workout. And you can stay motivated on the road to adventure by attaching your personal music player to the dual-mounted speakers. To quickly adjust your workout, you can use either the quick one-touch speed and incline buttons, or you can use the easy-to-reach handlebar remote controls. The TR300 is capable of reaching speeds up to 10 miles per hour and 10 degrees of incline. A 20 by 55-inch Xterra soft cushion deck will provide the cushioning and impact absorption needed to offer you a more comfortable workout. And to further enhance your experience, there's a crossbar between the uprights for additional stability and vibration dampening. When you're finished with your workout, simply fold up the treadmill with the lift assist storage system and roll away until your next workout. Built to last, the TR300 comes with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor and 1 year on the deck, parts, and in-home labor. Thanks to the Trail Runner 300 folding treadmill from Xterra Fitness, the path to adventure starts at home.